Good morning, guys. Yeah, today I'm going to Pelling, West Sikkim with my couple of friends. So we'll be visiting some good places in West Sikkim. And yeah, so I got up around 5 a.m. and now it's almost an hour past 5, so it's 6:11 I guess. So yeah, and I'm moving towards the cab. My place, my home is right in a remote area. It's not that remote, but it's a village. So yeah, I'm going to meet the cab driver. He is our local driver. So yeah, we're heading. I'm heading right now, so I'll be picking up one of my and this is our cab. Is waiting for me.
My first day on Earth, I fell into your eyes. Look at how our galaxies collide. Every color of the spectrum, every star up in the sky. The planets aligned for you, and I've known you since the dawn of time. With twin flames.
So we've reached to the petrol pump. We picked out every person that we needed to go for our trip. So
Music playing.
So we all came out very hungry in the morning, so we are heading for breakfast. We'll be having light breakfast and we'll be moving forward further to Pelling. So this is where we'll be having our breakfast. So again, we're done with our breakfast and we'll be heading now to the Pelling, and this is our course of journey. Bye bye, see you guys. So we are about to reach our destination, that is Pelling Skywalk. We just reached Pelling Bazaar, so we'll be heading there and we'll be reaching about like 5 to 10 minutes. So finally we've reached our destination, that is Pelling Skywalk. So yeah, we're getting down here. So currently we are here for tickets, so we wisely managed to carry our student ID card, so we are having some concessions. I think it's how much for students? 20, yeah, so 28. Okay, and for students it's 24 heads, so we've got a bit of extra concession, and so yeah, Cherenzig is distributing our tickets. So yes, we are entering the Skywalk. This is our glass bridge. And so as you can see, this is quite tall. View down is so this is our crybaby Upasna. Look at her face. Look at her face. Look at her face. Our gang taking pictures and our cameraman Hari ke saath. So yeah, we've taken some shots and we'll be heading now towards the statue that is behind me. As you can see above, this is the statue, and this place, the height of the glass bridge, it's not too much, but it's quite scary, but not for me, thankfully. So yeah, and the view is like so good. As you can see, like in the background, this is it, and it's fine. We are enjoying here, and our next destination would be, I don't know, Rabdenchi, one of the old Sikkim's one of the oldest capital. So above me is the statue of Cherenzig. So let's go, guys. The stairs are quite tall, but anyways, we have to go. Let's go. Mani Padme Hum, 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 Mani Padme Hum. Mani Padme Hum, 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 Mani Padme Hum. Down there you can see the skywalk from this viewpoint of Cherenzig statue, and hope you guys are liking it, all the view from it. So let me give you a short look of everything, the view from this statue.
So this is it guys from the Pelling Skywalk and the Cherenzig statue. Now we have a small change of plan. Before I told you guys that we'll be going to the Rabdenshi ruins, but we thought of going to different place. Now we'll be moving to Kichipiri Lake. It's a beautiful lake in the West District of Sikkim only. So I'll be posting you guys every detail about rest of the journey in my part 2 of this video. Hope you guys like it, and if you liked it, if you enjoyed watching this vlog, then please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much guys for watching. Bye bye.